Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a dental clinic. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the dental clinic. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What does the dentist find in Ken's tooth? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready. I made you some cold orange juice.
Thank you. That looks great. I am really thirsty this morning.
Try it. The oranges here are so sweet and fresh.
Okay, here I go. Oh, that hurts. That really hurts.
What happened? Your face changed. Are you okay?
The cold juice hit my tooth. It was a sharp, quick pain.
Wait, show me. Which tooth is it? Here, on this side?
This one, at the back. It jumped when the cold drink touched it.
How many days has it been like this? Be honest with me.
A few days, maybe, but it is not a big deal. I can live with it.
A few days? Ken, that is not nothing. Cold drinks should not hurt.
It only hurts for a second, then it stops, so I did not worry.
Listen, when something cold hurts your tooth, it can mean a small problem inside.
A small problem? You think so?
Yes, a healthy tooth does not jump like that. The pain is a sign from your body.
I hate that word, sign. It always means bad news.
Not always. It means your body is talking to you. You should listen.
But I have a toothache like this sometimes at home, too. It comes and goes.
And that is exactly why we should check it. A toothache is not normal.
You're right. I know you're right. I just don't love dentists.
Nobody loves them, but let us find one today, here in the city.
A dentist in a strange town? I don't even know where to go.
I can look on my phone right now. I'm sure there's one near the hotel.
What if they don't speak much English? I will feel lost.
Then we point and use simple words. Teeth are the same everywhere.
That is true. A tooth is a tooth in every country.
Exactly. And I found one already. It's just 5 minutes away.
Okay. Let's go today, before I change my mind.
Good choice. Finish your breakfast first, then we walk over together.
Good morning. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I do not have an appointment. Can I still see a dentist?
Yes, we can see people without an appointment in the morning. Are you in pain?
A little. One tooth at the back hurts when I drink something cold.
I see. Let me get you started. Please fill out this short form.
Sure, just my name and where I am staying.
Yes, and a few questions about your teeth. It only takes a minute.
Okay, here is my name and this is my hotel address.
Thank you. Now, one important question. When was your last checkup?
My last checkup? That is a hard one. Maybe over a year ago?
Over a year. Okay, that is good to know. Do you go often?
Not really. To be honest, I come when it hurts, not before.
You are not the only one. Many people do the same thing.
That makes me feel a little better. So it is normal to be like me?
It is common, yes, but we tell people to come every 6 months, even with no pain.
Every 6 months? That feels like a lot for healthy teeth.
The idea is simple. If we find a problem early, the fix is small and quick.
And if I wait until it hurts, the problem is already bigger. Is that it?
That is right. You understand it well. Small now or big later.
I will try to remember that. My wife will be happy to hear it.
Good. Please take a seat. The dentist can see you very soon.
Thank you. Is the wait long? We have plans this afternoon.
No, only a few minutes. She is finishing with another patient now.
Perfect. I will just sit here and try to stay calm.
You will be fine. She is very kind and soft. I promise you that.
Thank you. One more thing. Do I need to do anything before I go in?
No, just relax and breathe. The dentist will tell you each step.
That helps. I feel better when I know what's coming next.
She is good at that. She tells you everything. Hello. Please come in and sit down. You can relax now.
Thank you. I feel a little scared, to be honest.
That is okay. Most people are. So you have some pain?
Yes, one tooth at the back. It hurts when I drink cold things.
Let us take a look. Open wide for me, please. This will not hurt.
Okay.
Good. I am using a small mirror to see the back teeth. Just relax.
Is it bad? Please tell me the truth.
One moment. I want to check this one carefully. Does it hurt right here?
Yes, right there. That is the one that jumps with cold drinks.
I found it. You have a small cavity in that tooth. Just one.
A cavity? So it is a real problem? How bad is it?
It is small. That is the good news. You came early, and I'm glad you did.
Early? It feels like I waited too long, honestly.
No, it is still small. Because it is small, I can fix it easily today.
Really? I feel better now. What is a cavity exactly?
A cavity is a small hole in your tooth. It starts tiny and grows slowly.
A hole? How does a hole get into a tooth?
Sugar stays on your teeth. Over time, that sugar can make a small hole.
So the cold pain was the hole talking to me?
In a way, yes. The hole reached a soft part inside.
And how do you fix a hole? Do you take the tooth out?
No, nothing like that. I clean it and put in a filling.
A filling? What is that?
It is soft and it closes the hole. Then the hole cannot grow.
That sounds much better than losing a tooth.
You will keep your tooth. We can do it right now. Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it. I feel calmer already.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is toothache, meaning a pain in your tooth. For example, I had a toothache last night. The second word is cavity, meaning a small hole in a tooth. For example, the dentist found one small cavity. The third word is cleaning, meaning making your teeth clean and fresh. For example, the dentist did a quick cleaning. The fourth word is floss, meaning a thin string for between your teeth. For example, use floss one time a day. The fifth word is filling, meaning something soft that closes a hole. For example, she put a filling in my tooth. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the dental clinic.
Good. Lie back for me. I will tell you each step as I go.
Please do. If I know what is happening, I feel less scared.
First, I clean the tooth. A toothbrush cannot take everything off.
Really? I brush every morning and night. I thought that was enough.
Brushing helps a lot, but some hard dirt sticks and stays. I take that off first.
So this part is a cleaning. It does not hurt at all.
Right. The cleaning just makes the tooth clean and ready. Almost done here.
I can feel a little water and a small tool. That is fine.
Good. You're doing very well. Now the tooth is clean and dry.
Okay. What comes next? This is the filling part, right?
Yes. Now I fill the little hole. I put the soft filling inside.
Will this hurt? I am ready to feel something bad.
It will not hurt. I will go slowly. You may feel a strange push, but no pain.
A strange push. Okay, I can handle a strange feeling.
I am pushing the soft filling into the hole now. Stay still for me.
Like this? I am trying not to move my head.
Perfect. You are a great patient. Now I make the top flat and even.
It feels a little different, but not bad. Is that the filling?
That is the filling. It closes the hole, so the hole cannot grow.
So this stops it from getting worse. That is the whole point.
That is right. Now bite down softly for me. Does it feel too high?
No, it feels normal. I can bite with no pain at all.
Wonderful. Then we are all done. That was quick, right?
That's it? I was so scared for nothing. It was easy.
Most fillings are quick and easy. The fear is the hard part.
I feel silly now. I waited days for something this simple.
Do not feel silly. You are here now and your tooth is fixed. Welcome back. So how do you feel? Not too bad, right?
You were right. It did not hurt at all. I feel a little silly now.
I hear that all day. The dentist is never as scary as people think.
True. Now I would like to pay. How much is it?
Let me check your form. Here it is. This is the total for today.
Okay, here you go. Do you take a card?
Yes, a card is fine. Thank you. Give me one moment, please.
Take your time. So is there anything I should do at home now?
Yes, and this part is important. Do you use floss every day?
Floss? No, to be honest, I never use floss. I only brush.
Many people are the same, but floss reaches places a brush cannot.
What do you mean? My brush feels like it cleans everything.
A brush cleans the front and top, but floss goes between your teeth.
Between the teeth, so the brush misses those small spaces?
That is right. Floss is a thin string. It slides between two teeth and cleans there.
And dirt hides in those spaces. That is where cavities start, maybe.
You are learning fast. Yes, those small spaces need floss every day.
Okay, I will buy floss on the way back to the hotel.
Wonderful. Use it once a day and your teeth will thank you.
I will. Should I book my next visit now or later?
Let us book it now so you do not forget. In 6 months?
6 months. Yes, let's do that. I want to be a better patient.
Good, I like that. Your next visit is 6 months from today.
Thank you for everything. You made this easy for me.
My pleasure. Take care of that tooth and enjoy the rest of your trip.
We will.
My wife is waiting outside. She will be so pleased.
Tell her the patient was very brave today.
I will, but she knows the truth. She pushed me to come.
A good partner does that. Thank her for me too.
I will. Thank you again. Have a good day.
There you are. I was waiting out here. How did it go?
It went great. Really. I am smiling. See?
You are smiling, so it was not so bad after all.
Not bad at all. The dentist found a small cavity. Just one.
A cavity, so there was a real problem in there.
Yes, a little hole in the tooth, but she found it while it was still small.
And what did she do? Did it hurt?
She fixed it with a filling. And no, it did not hurt at all.
A filling, so the hole is closed now and it will not grow.
Right, it is done. I can drink cold juice again with no pain.
I am so glad. See, I told you we should come today.
You did tell me. You were right, as always. I should have come sooner.
I love hearing you say that. Say it one more time.
You were right. There, happy now?
Very happy. But really, why did you wait so many days?
I always wait until it hurts too much. That is a bad thing I do.
It is. Next time, tell me the moment something feels wrong.
I will. And there is one more thing. I'm going to start using floss.
Floss? You? Now that is real news.
I know. I never use it, but the front desk told me why.
Let me guess. A brush cannot reach between the teeth?
Exactly that. So I need floss for those tight little spaces.
Look at you. You know all about teeth now. I'm proud of you.
We can buy some on the way back. It's a small change.
A small change that saves you a lot of pain. Worth it.
You know what? When your teeth do not hurt, travel is so much better.
That is the most true thing you have said all day. Come on, let us get coffee.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does the dentist find in Ken's tooth? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.